So the Baja Pro XS, it's kind of a new tire for Mickey Thompson. It's been out for a couple years. It is a very aggressive tire. I've seen them on a bunch of different rigs. They offer them in like a sticky and a non-sticky version. The stickies work really well. These are the non-stickies. They did great today. They're just a big old tire, and when you can throw a big old tire underneath your rig, you're gonna get more ground clearance, gonna be able to crawl over bigger rocks. They're a very aggressive tire, no questions asked, which really suits this build. It literally looks like a set of military tracks underneath this truck, which is kind of what Nick was going for when he built it. So I think they're definitely the right tire for this truck.